Welcome to 5 Minute Frequency Tune Up. I'm Susan Kennard and I'm here to bring 5 minutes of healing for you from the guides. Today we're going to be working with Mother Mary. She's going to be bringing in her healing sound to release guilt. Many of us have guilt from times before, lifetimes before, timelines before, but many of us bring this guilt in and it plays out in our life. Of course, if we're holding on to guilt, it stops the frequency of love coming to our heart, and it also stops us from really hearing and listening to the next part of our mission. Okay, so be ready with me. We're probably going to be about another 4 minutes, and I just want you to enjoy this, feel into it, and just honor yourself for being here at this time to release this frequency of guilt. Okay, so come into your heart space. Put your hands on your heart. And just give this time to you. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. And I want you to imagine as you start to breathe, you start to connect with your breath more deeply. You're bringing in a beautiful pink and gold sparkling light into your heart. And as you breathe, it expands throughout the whole of your heart, into the whole of your being. Through your legs, hips and feet. Through the whole of your body, up to your arms and your shoulders, your head and your crown. And I want you to imagine a star under your feet, connecting you to Mother Earth, and a star above your head, connecting you to true source energy, creator. And I want you to feel that essence of being connected and grounded and truly supported. And I want you now just to invite all of those parts of you that felt guilty, that felt it's my job to heal the world, it's my job to fix this problem. I should have healed my mother. I should have been the one to make things right. All of those childhood parts of you. Or maybe something happened to you in your childhood that you still feel guilty about. Maybe you stole something. And just remember that all of those parts of you no longer serve you now. So we're just going to invite all of those parts of you to be present now. And as Mother Mary steps in, it's actually angelic frequency as well, I can see and feel. But as Mother Mary steps in, standing here with Jeshua, she steps in to let you know that when you hear the sound, the toning, that all of those little parts of you, all of those childhood parts of you, are going to be healed and released. And you will be able to feel that expansion in your heart once again. You may be able to see energy lifting if you're clairvoyant, and you may be able to just feel it. But know that all of those little parts of you that were holding the frequency of guilt will be integrated back into your heart. Okay, so here we are. I'm going to close my eyes and bring Mother Mary in. I want you just to be in that moment of receiving. Okay, so take a deep breath. Just connect with how your heart feels now, as all of those little aspects have been released from guilt, and the healing has happened within your heart as those aspects have been brought back to integrate with you. So I hope you've enjoyed 5-minute frequency tune up today. Please share if you feel it will help somebody else. Subscribe and like, and leave me a comment to let me know how you're feeling. Okay, much love for now. See you very soon.